Hey guys, I am filming ratchet style. I'm gonna use one of the palettes that we're featuring this month, which is the quirky variation, because I want to use green. So let's get into it. So I did my brows. I put a little concealer on my lids, of course. Am I looking here? I'm looking here. Okay. And I'm gonna use this color here, mustard. That's so cute. It comes with a mirror. I'm gonna just tap off and put that here in my crease. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm using a fluffy brush by Dainty. We love Dainty. It's so cute. Giving me life. Yes. And should I speed through the rest? I think I'll speed through. Ooh, that's so cute. Okay. So I'm just gonna blend it a little more, make it a little bit softer of a transition. Because I used a super light concealer under my brows. So I'm gonna just like soften this up a little bit and be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna use this dark green here because green is life, and it's called Marsh, and I got a super tiny brush. Tap it off because, you know, I already did my foundation. We don't want to destroy it, although I've been there before. Let's see, just put it right in the outer corner real quick, literally so quick, just to be a little smoky. And y'all know I need to use this black, okay, because I've been staring at it all week. I was like packing all the boxes and I was like, I need that black now. Okay, so yeah, so it just made it a little bit greener, a little bit deeper, and then time for the black. Although it looks kind of blue here, but it's black. Definitely tap this off, and literally right in my crease at the edge, just a little. I'm about to do a conference call stunt on these hoes. So I was like, let me do my makeup before the meeting so I can be dramatic and fabulous. Okay, and it's just like a little tiny bit darker. Then I'm gonna take my finger, and I've been dying to use this green. I would only use it for our inner corner, but I want to put it on my lid, and it matches the diamond line perfect. So I'm gonna put this all over quickly. We don't have time. See how quick this eye look is? So you can slay in like 5 minutes. Alright, and you can go up as high as you want. Just like kind of keeping it to the middle of the lid. And using my finger. I have my claws, otherwise it would be like a little bit close. Oh, really? Ooh, we can use this as a highlight. Yeah. Okay. So when you have claws, you have to get a brush to kind of bring it to the inner corner. So this is like a tiny, tiny brush. And yeah, get a little bit on here. I use this brush for my inner corner all the time. which I'm gonna put actually the sky blue on my inner corner after I do the liner, because you know we gotta wing it. And I'm gonna put a little tap more green right here just to blend on top of the shiny color we put on the lid, and smoke it a little more, because I mean, what's my name? Hello. There we go. Okay, boom. So to save time, I'm not gonna film my liner. I'm gonna do my liner real quick and get the diamond line, do lashes, and do a lip, and then we're done, because I gotta roll. Alright guys, so I have the lash glue, and these are the lashes, and so hard to get them off of my claws. Okay guys, so I put the lashes on here, and I just put some mascara on my bottom lash line. I already have on blush. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight, because I mean, come on, why not? This is just my favorite little Wet n Wild highlight, which is, what is this, Crown My Canopy, which I love. And I'm gonna use a little of the you guys know, GLITZGLAMFam knows I love to use eyeshadow as highlight, so I'm gonna use this one that we used on the lid, just a little bit of highlight, just to, you know, be nice and extra. Ooh. Okay. And just a little bit down my nose, which is nice and big. I'm just gonna use like a nude brown lipstick just to hurry up and finish, because I told y'all I got a meeting. Okay guys, and we're back. All right, found the brush. So I use this little tiny brush for my inner corner. You can see how small it is. So I'm gonna use the powder blue here. Well, it's more like a sky blue. And see how that looks in the inner corner. Oh wow. Whoa, I love it. It's so cute. Definitely makes it very like funky and young and cool. Yeah, that just like took it to the next level. All right, cool. Oh, I don't understand who did this to my lip liner. Y'all, you see what I'm doing? This is why I don't let my pupils go in my makeup bag. Look at this. Now, who would sharpen it like this? And the last person in my makeup bag was my sister, Michelle. I blame her. Shout out to Michelle. We're in Cali. This lip liner is right up her alley, too. I know she did it. Michelle, like, we need to... Oh, it pushes down. Okay, never mind. I was about to start snapping. All right, and I have this, hold on. What is this? Okay, yeah, Girlactic. We have these in the, what box was that? November? I don't know. I don't remember. One of our prior boxes. October. Autumn. Yeah, this was the autumn. Autumn nights theme. So, oh, that's cute. Huh. Okay, guys. So here's the final look. Whoever made it this far, congrats. I'm going to post the giveaway winner right here. So congratulations. You guys know the drill. Giveaway winner, contact me to claim your prize. And guys, I'm going to film the unboxing also for April. And we're going to have another giveaway. Ooh, this is really cute, actually. Okay. All right, here's the final look. Let me show you guys a little bit better. So we have the blue on the inner corner, the green, the black, the lashes, and the diamond liner under my lash line. So here's the final look, guys. Till the next video, bye.